Let's try it. One more. It's good. One more. Ah, refreshing. So, mga kabuso, thank you very much. Your Long Beach iced tea. Cheers. So mga kabuso, my name is Edwin and I'm your bartender. So for today, I will make Long Beach iced tea. And I'm gonna show you how to make Long Beach iced tea. So for the Long Beach iced tea, we need this vodka, gin, Bitter gin, and Bacardi, rum, white, and tequila white, and triple sec, and sweet and sour mixed juice, and of course, cranberry juice. So mga kabunso, let's do it. Long Beach iced tea. So you need this glass for the Long Beach iced tea. So you make it full of ice. Remember, always full of ice your glass. Okay, and then let's start. So, one shot of vodka means 30 ml of vodka. 30 ml of vodka. And Bitter gin, one shot means 30 ml. 30 ml. And one shot of Bacardi. 30 ml, one shot. And one shot of tequila. 30 ml of tequila. And 30 ml of triple sec. 30 ml, one shot, 3 cl, all same. And of course, sweet and sour juice, 15 ml. 50 ml only. And then, full of ice. I mean, not full of ice, put on ice. Maybe make full of ice, this is good. So, this is my favorite. Shake it well. Okay. And then throw some water on it. Because there is water, so you need to throw it. But don't throw the ice, okay? And then fill up cranberry juice. And then you need also bar spoon. Make it stir for the All taste equal. And then, of course, your don't forget your garnish. So for the garnish, I will make a lamb wheel. So here we go, your garnish. And put straw also. So here we go. Your Long Beach iced tea is ready. You can have it now, your Long Beach iced tea. So mga kabuso, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share all my vlogs. Thank you very much. And of course, let's try it. One more. It's good. One more. Ah, refreshing. So, mga kabuso, thank you very much. Your Long Beach iced tea. Cheers.